In today's fast-paced and competitive business world, organizations face ongoing pressure to improve efficiency, cut costs, enhance quality, and provide better value to customers. Traditional management methods often fall short when it comes to dealing with waste, variation, and inefficiencies in a consistent way. That's where Lean Six Sigma comes in. This approach combines Lean, which targets eliminating waste and improving workflow, with Six Sigma, which aims to reduce defects and process variability. Together, they form a solid framework for improving performance across different industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and finance. Lean Six Sigma is all about getting the most value for customers while using the least resources, focusing on identifying and removing activities that don't add value, errors, and inconsistencies. Lean targets the 8 types of waste like defects and overproduction, and Six Sigma strives for processes that have less than 3.4 defects per million chances. This structured, data-driven methodology helps organizations work smarter and deliver better results. Lean Six Sigma improvements typically follow the DMAIC framework, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This approach delivers clear value to businesses in several ways. Firstly, it helps reduce costs by identifying inefficiencies, waste, and errors, which lowers material waste, inventory, and improves resource use. Secondly, it enhances quality and consistency by reducing variation, leading to more reliable products and services, which is especially important in sectors like healthcare and aerospace. Thirdly, Lean principles speed up processes by streamlining workflows and removing delays, improving customer satisfaction through faster delivery times. Fourthly, Lean Six Sigma supports data-driven decisions, helping managers focus on root causes rather than assumptions or symptoms. Lastly, it encourages a cultural shift by engaging employees to identify issues and suggest improvements, fostering continuous improvement and accountability. For successful implementation, strong leadership commitment is essential to provide the necessary authority and resources, and identifying critical business problems early on ensures efforts are focused where they matter most. Projects should align with key strategic goals like cutting costs, boosting revenue, improving customer satisfaction, or meeting compliance standards. It's more effective to focus on solving the right problems rather than trying to tackle too many. The DMAIC framework helps structure this approach. First, define the problem clearly, including its scope, objectives, and what customers need, and create a problem statement and project charter. Next, measure current process performance with reliable data and establish baseline metrics such as defect rates or cycle times. Then analyze the root causes using tools like cause and effect diagrams and Pareto analysis to separate symptoms from the real issues. After that, improve by designing and testing solutions that address these root causes before rolling them out widely. Finally, control the process by monitoring performance with control charts and standard procedures to ensure improvements last, supported by ongoing training and governance. Training and certifying employees through the Lean Six Sigma Belt system, yellow, green, and black belts, builds internal expertise and promotes consistent application. For example, in manufacturing, a global automotive company reduced defects on an assembly line by standardizing processes and tackling root causes, saving millions annually. In healthcare, a hospital cut patient wait times in emergency departments by mapping workflows, eliminating unnecessary steps, and redesigning their processes, which improve throughput and patient satisfaction significantly. A bank used Lean Six Sigma to streamline its loan approval process by removing unnecessary approval steps and minimizing rework, which significantly cut processing time from weeks to just days. This change not only enhanced customer satisfaction but also made operations more efficient. In the logistics sector, a provider improved warehouse picking by redesigning the layout and reducing unnecessary movements, leading to faster order fulfillment and lower labor costs. Lean Six Sigma offers a structured and proven approach that can be consistently applied across organizations. It delivers measurable financial benefits like cost savings and productivity gains while focusing on customer needs and designing processes to serve those needs better. Importantly, it's flexible enough to be used across various industries beyond manufacturing, including services and public sectors. It also builds long-term internal capabilities, helping organizations sustain improvements beyond individual projects. However, implementing Lean Six Sigma can be complex and time-consuming, requiring training, rigorous data collection, and employee discipline. Projects may take months and demand significant resources, which can be difficult for smaller organizations. There's also a risk that companies might concentrate too much on statistical tools and lose sight of practical problem-solving and customer outcomes. Cultural resistance can arise, especially if employees view Lean Six Sigma as a cost-cutting measure rather than an improvement effort. Finally, it might not be the best fit for highly creative or fast-changing processes, where flexibility and rapid adaptation are more valuable than standardization and control. As we wrap up, it's important to understand that Lean Six Sigma is more than just a collection of tools or a project management technique. When aligned with clear goals, it transforms into a fundamental mindset focused on continuous improvement and creating real value. This way of thinking helps organizations consistently identify opportunities to enhance processes, reduce waste, and deliver better outcomes, ultimately driving sustained shareholder value and long-term success.